Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to update Telegram to latest version on Android. The first thing you do is tap on Google Play Store, then tap on your icon, profile icon at the top, tap on manage apps and devices, then you can see updates available. To see all the updates, you can tap on update all if you want, or you can tap on it to see. Now I'm going to cancel my updates. Okay, then you choose a particular one you want to have updated. Let's say I'm going for Telegram. Tap on update, and to show you when it was last updated. So I've tapped on another one again and give a few seconds and to start updating. So right now my Telegram has updated, so it has disappeared from the list of things that need to be updated. This is 40 megabytes, 100%. Next is going to install it. It's as simple as that. Or you can do it that method by just using the Play Store. If you just want to do it normal way, tap on search and write the name of the app you want to update, Telegram, and then you see the over here where it's cancelled. If I had not updated, what will be there will be updated. I'll tap on it and it will update. It's as simple as that.